Okay, let's see if we can get this E wrapped up. Since my E is not looking too impressive, we should probably fix that first and see what can be done about that. So the whole idea of this whole first video, is to get the feel for putting the first outline down on a three-dimensional outline. And as you can see, we're kind of doing the basics, not making it too difficult. Basically, you do your shape, and then you do a 3D, like traditionally. But the main difference is, like I said in the beginning, you are using the 3D shape as well as the basic two-dimensional shape of the letters. So what I mean by that is we have this shape, this rectangle shape, as part of the E. And the 3D shape coming off of it is also going to be looked at pretty closely because you need all the shapes to look cool. Does that make sense? So, not 100% happy with this, but we're just gonna work on it until it gets somewhere. And then we can color it and it'll look hella cool. Okay. So, let's just throw in these little bits and pieces that will firm up what looks almost like an E. Okay. So that is the first part. Lay out your letters so that you can still read them. It's still somewhat legible, and then start to put some of the 3D elements in front of your piece and have it coming out, going back. Now, if this helps, this I sometimes do to get my mind right. If this helps, you can put items in the background. So let's say we go way back here, and I'll put an item or whatever, a little platform way back here. Now, sometimes the platforms, the little background areas, will look like a space platform or somewhere that you're going to land a spaceship or some crazy thing. And even though that sounds weird, if you can envision that a little bit, that will keep it making sense 3D wise, because it will help ground you in an actual 3D environment in your mind's eye, if you can relate it to something else. Okay, so for example, if this was the edge of a spaceship landing area, I might build a little building over here for the pilots to congregate in and have a Guinness and kick it. So that's ridiculous, but you get the idea, right? Okay, so there are your letters.